The 8 Laws of Money You Must Know. Fastest Self-Made Billionaire Ever. That's the title J.S. Walker once achieved. There was a time when investors considered J. Walker the smartest financial planner ever, and Warren Buffett was believed to be nothing compared to him. However, today Walker's net is estimated at approximately $1.6 billion and Buffett's net is $119.3 billion as per the report of Forbes. Hello there, welcome to Stack and Invest, the channel where financial freedom meets the power of knowledge. Before we jump into the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and if you want to learn some financial hacks, don't miss hitting the bell icon. Making money is easy, but maintaining it forever is the most challenging task ever, and J. Walker, America's best-known business inventor and entrepreneur, knew this very well. During the dot-com bubble era, he made a huge fortune. His success graph went up so quickly that people started calling him the fastest self-made billionaire ever. However, he soon found himself at the bottom since the dot-com bubble burst in 2000 and the majority of his fortune was made from the dot-com wave. On the contrary, the shock waves didn't touch Buffett's investment since he knew it was nothing but a hoax. The majority of the investors made several mistakes like the one J. Walker did. Today in this video, we are going to explore the 8 laws of money that every investor must know. So stick to the screen and don't skip any law or you have to regret it later. Law number 8, be patient and let your wealth accumulate over time. Rather than viewing financial crises as a conspiracy or an opportunity for the wealthy to take advantage of the poor, this law encourages individuals to research and learn from previous crises. By understanding how and why financial crises occur, one can be better prepared to navigate and potentially benefit from them. Here, we must learn from the example of Mark Cuban. Mark Cuban became billionaires due to their ability to capitalize on the 1998 financial crisis. It highlights the need to view financial crises as opportunities rather than obstacles. By being knowledgeable about the workings of the financial system and staying informed about economic trends, anyone can position themselves to be on the receiving end of the next financial crisis. Overall, this law advises us to be proactive and prepared when it comes to financial crises. By understanding the system and learning from past events, one can potentially turn an obstacle into a stepping stone that leads to financial growth and success. Law number 7, see where and how much you spend. Recently, I come around a lot of people. All of them have one common factor. They believe in making abundant money. Maybe more than 50% of them are in favor of setting up a passive income source. The rest 50% believe in doing side jobs or some kind of online work. I guess you might be one of them. Making abundant money or working hard to be a millionaire one day is not a bad idea. The only trouble is the mindset connected with abundant money. Excessive money makes you spend more. The more money you have, the more you spend. For instance, think of a credit card. What if you're in a situation where you don't have cash on hand and need to pump gas, buy groceries, or pay the electricity bill? This is where a credit card comes in handy. A credit card can be an extremely useful tool if you know how to use it properly. Unfortunately, none of us use this tool wisely, and that's how we trapped into a habit of spending foolishly. So always see where and how much you spend. Law number 6, control your expenses as they tend to rise as you get older. It is essential to control your expenses and live below your means to build wealth. This means that you should spend less than what you earn and avoid unnecessary debt. By keeping your expenses in check, you will have more money available to save and invest. Living below your means requires discipline and the ability to prioritize your financial goals. It may involve making sacrifices and cutting back on certain luxuries or non-essential expenses. This does not mean living a life of deprivation, but rather being mindful of your spending habits and making conscious choices that align with your long-term financial objectives. Controlling your expenses is crucial because it allows you to save and invest for the future. By consistently saving and investing, you can take advantage of the power of compounding and grow your wealth over time. This law emphasizes the importance of being financially responsible and making wise choices with your money to achieve long-term financial security and success. Law number 5, invest in yourself and increase your income every year. Your greatest asset is not your money or possessions, but your knowledge, skills, and abilities. Investing in yourself means taking the time and effort to acquire new knowledge and skills, whether through formal education, professional development courses, or self-study. It also means developing your personal qualities, such as your mindset, attitude, and emotional intelligence. By investing in yourself, you are equipping yourself with the tools and capabilities needed to succeed in various aspects of life, including your career, relationships, and personal growth. Continuous learning and improvement enable you to adapt to changing circumstances, seize opportunities, and overcome challenges. There are several ways to invest in yourself. You can read books, attend seminars and workshops, enroll in online courses, seek mentorship, join professional networks, or even hire a coach. The key is to have a growth mindset and a commitment to lifelong learning. Investing in yourself not only enhances your personal development but also increases your earning potential and opens up new opportunities. It allows you to stay competitive in the job market, advance in your career, and potentially earn higher income. Moreover, investing in yourself can lead to greater fulfillment and happiness as you are continuously expanding your knowledge and capabilities. Investing in ourselves is a crucial step towards building wealth and achieving success. It is an ongoing process that requires dedication, curiosity, and a willingness to step out of our comfort zones. By continuously learning and improving, we can unlock our full potential and create a brighter future for ourselves. Law number 4, invest early and take advantage of the power of compounding. During my financial journey, I learned the most important thing. Earning a high income is not enough to build wealth if you don't save and invest a portion of it. Saving refers to setting aside a portion of your income for future use, while investing involves putting your saved money into assets or ventures that have the potential to generate returns. By saving and investing, you are effectively putting your money to work for you, allowing it to grow over time. The law emphasizes the need to be disciplined and consistent in saving and investing. It suggests setting a specific percentage of your income to save and making it a priority. This ensures that you are consistently building your wealth and not just relying on your current income. Additionally, the law advises against excessive spending and living beyond your means. It encourages individuals to be mindful of their expenses and prioritize long-term financial goals over short-term pleasures. Law number 3, start investing with even a small amount of money. Putting all your eggs in one basket is a risky strategy, and spreading your investments across different asset classes can help mitigate risk and maximize returns. Diversification involves investing in a variety of assets such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. By diversifying, you are reducing the impact of any single investment on your overall portfolio. If one investment performs poorly, the others may offset the losses, resulting in a more stable and consistent return. This law also highlights the need to regularly review and rebalance your portfolio. As different investments perform differently over time, your portfolio may become unbalanced. By periodically reassessing and adjusting your investments, you can maintain diversification and ensure that your portfolio aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Diversification is a fundamental principle of investing that helps to manage risk and potentially increase long-term returns. By spreading your investments across various assets, you are better positioned to weather market fluctuations and achieve financial success. Law number 2, consider the long-term benefits of investing for future generations. Expenses tend to increase as we get older. What may have been a significant amount of money in the past may no longer cover our expenses in the present. This is especially true when starting a family, as the financial responsibilities and obligations tend to grow. The law cautions against complacency and urges individuals to ensure that their income is increasing every year. If one fails to do so, they may find themselves trapped in a paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, struggling to make ends meet and unable to invest for the future. By being mindful of the inevitable rise in expenses as we age, individuals can take proactive steps to increase their income and avoid falling into a perpetual state of financial struggle. This law serves as a reminder to continuously assess and adjust one's financial situation to ensure long-term financial stability and the ability to meet future financial needs. Law number 1, wealth accumulation takes time. Always remember this thumb law of investment: wealth accumulation takes time. Just as a tree cannot grow overnight, wealth cannot be built overnight either. The law encourages individuals to start investing as early as possible, as the power of compounding can lead to significant wealth growth over time. Even a small initial investment, such as $100, can grow into a substantial amount with the right investment strategy and enough time. Think about Warren Buffett. He made the majority of his fortune after the age of 5. The sooner you start investing, the sooner you can achieve financial security and stop worrying about bills. The law also highlights the potential to create generational wealth, as a small investment made now could potentially grow into a substantial amount for future generations. By understanding the importance of long-term investing and starting early, we can set ourselves up for financial success and potentially achieve our wealth goals. These laws can change your financial future. Note them down or hang them on the wall of your room or office. The sooner you master these laws, the faster your money grows. If you think this video has changed your financial perspective, please tap the like button and do share it with your buddies. Thanks for watching the video.